let's take a look at the key of A major. So you will find songs that are written in the key of A, and this video is going to be very helpful to know what chords are in the key of A as well as the A major scales, so that as you start layering in maybe some melody notes, you know which black notes are in this key to know what's allowed to play in the key of A major, okay? So make sure to click on the description below, and I do have the printable little ebook for you that goes over this in detail, so you can print it out, have it next to you in your keyboard. Okay, so let's take a look at the A major scale first. We start with thumb on A, and then we're just going to line up our 5 fingers, and we're going to play the notes A, B. We're going to move our 3rd finger to this black note, which is C sharp. Tuck your finger, thumb underneath. D, E, F sharp, G sharp, and A. Okay, we come back down. A, G sharp, F sharp, E, D, and our 3rd finger comes over, C sharp, B, A. Okay, so let's talk about finger numbers, because you noticed I kind of did some crazy little things, and it's really simple when you look at why we do that. Okay, so we put thumb back where it was. If we play A, B, C sharp, we want to make sure to tuck that thumb underneath, so finger 1 on D, so we don't run out of finger numbers for the rest of the scale. Okay, D, then it gives us enough fingers to play the rest of the scale. See that? E, F sharp, G sharp, A. Come back down. A, G sharp, F sharp, E, D. See, we don't have any more fingers left, so we're just going to put finger 3 over here. So we have fingers 3, 2, 1 to finish our scale. Okay? All right, so let's take a look at the left hand. You can play the scale with your left hand too. It's going to be playing the exact same notes. You're just going to be using opposite finger numbers. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, cross over, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we can come back down. Now we need to tuck the thumb underneath there. E, D, C sharp, B, A. All right, so you can play those scales together if you want to practice for, some finger speed exercises. Just start out going really, really slow. Play your A's together, B's together, C sharp, thumb underneath here, D, E, 3rd finger over here, F sharp, G sharp, A. Okay, we can come back down. A, G sharp, F sharp, tuck for thumb underneath here in your left hand, E, D, 3rd finger over, C sharp, B, and A. Okay, so we can form a chord around each of those single notes in our scale, okay? And that's what makes up the chords that are in the key of A. So they are A major, B minor, C sharp minor, D major, E major, F sharp minor, and G sharp diminished. So let's go through those chords. A major is A, C sharp, E. Okay, makes this triangle shape. B minor is B, D, F sharp. Makes this curve line. And make sure to grab this copy. I have it really easily printable, so check that in the description below. Okay, C sharp minor is C sharp, E, G sharp. Kind of makes this upside down triangle, if that helps, okay? D major, D, F sharp, A. Makes a triangle shape. Okay, E major, move up 1 note, kind of hold that shape. Now we have E, G sharp, B. See, it has that same triangle shape. F sharp minor is an upside down triangle. F sharp, A, C sharp. And then G sharp diminished is G sharp, B, D. Okay, there you go. So we have A major, B minor, C sharp minor, D major, E major, F sharp minor, and G sharp diminished. I hope this was helpful. You're back to the A major. Make sure to grab the printable in the description below, and we'll catch you next time.